are not just consumers, they are also creators developing contents and ideas and encountering challenges right along with you. Creativity in marketing requires working with customers right from the start to weave their experiences with your efforts to expand your company's reach. Why creativity is important in marketing? Because it involves the generation and execution of unique ideas that communicate a message in an original way. Creativity simply allows a message to be remembered, which can lead to higher brand recognition and sales. In many ways, sailors and marketing are two disciplines within the business world that permit and demand these approaches. Sales representative needs to have bigger vision and find creative ways in the evolving technology and business landscape to achieve their goals. Marketing needs to constantly find creative ways to reach audiences and devise workable solutions to bring their brands to the latest channels. But what role should creativity and vision play in marketing and sales? And how can your company cultivate it as a competitive advantage? So let's discuss these. So how do you develop creativity in marketing? First is change your routine. The first thing you need to build into your routine is changing your routine. One of the biggest challenge to creativity is people's fear of failure, like bad ideas and all. But without bad ideas, you won't know what the good ones are. So it is improvement and important to put everything you think of out there to get feedback so that you can hone in on what works and what does not. Push past your first ideas and try to build unexpected association. Most won't work, but you have a much better chance to stumbling across one that will. Go diverse feedback. It's important to get feedback on your ideas, but make sure you don't always ask the same people. Those in your circle are likely to have similar opinions to you. You may discount some ideas that others may have loved or push forward with those that only people like you would appreciate. Steal ideas. Another creativity myth is that you need to start with a blank sheet of paper in an empty room to come up with ideas. Some of the best brands and ideas come from people looking at ideas in other industries and applying them somewhere else. Try putting your own spin on something that already exists, and you can still end up with creative ideas. Find time and space. This is one of the biggest obstacles to creativity in simply not allowing time for the creative process in today's this technology world. Every moment is taking up looking at a screen and consuming some form of media. Find a place away from distraction where you can sit, stare out of the window, and let your mind wander. This won't just help your creativity, it's good for your health too. Write things down. I always prefer a pen and paper with me wherever I am. I always keep this handy. You never know when you might get a creative burst, so it is important to note them down whenever they strike. You can then return to them later when you are more formally in the idea process or a brainstorm with others. Except now you will have a list of thoughts you have already compiled to start with instead of a blank page. If you can see this picture in the screen, one is the entrance gate, another is the exit gate. Entrance. This is actually ये जो picture है, this is an ad of a health center. एग्जिट गेट में मोटा आदमी घुसता है, एग्जिट से बाहर आता है. See the innovative method of thinking, the creativity. So one thing creative people have in common is their appetite for new experiences. The more things you have experienced, the more information you have to draw on when coming up with new ideas. It is also important to reflect on your experiences, as this strengthens the connection in your neurological network, as well as making sense of what you have experienced, which puts you in a better place to recall and utilize that information at a later date. Do creative activities. Simply carrying out more traditional activities like drawing or painting can also help develop your creative abilities, as it forces your brain to engage the creative elements and trains it like any other muscles. By using it more, you develop a better balance with the logical part of your brain, which enables it to work better whenever you are trying to engage in creative thinking. I'll brief you certain habits that creative people seem to have in common that will undoubtedly help you develop your creativity, should incorporate them into your own life. When combined with the specific actions, you will be well on the way to more creative world. One is the daydreaming. We always say creativity is to think out of the box. You need to allocate time to engage the creative side of your brain, and sometimes this can be as simple as staring out of a window and daydreaming to let the ideas flow. Practice mindfulness. This has been touted as helping on many fronts, but there is no doubt creativity is aided by taking some time to empty your mind and allowing ideas to flow. As with daydreaming, the process of removing distraction is key to engaging the creative part of your brain. Seek new experiences. And one of the biggest traits of creative thinker is that their openness to new experiences. This desire to learn and see new things develop the breadth of topics that they can draw on when coming up with new ideas, as well as helping them to make connections between all the different experiences that they have had. Be spontaneous. Creativity tends to act as an impulse when they have it, whether that is pursuing an idea when it pops into your head or pursuing an experience that appears unexpectedly. Linking strongly with the previous point, this opens them up to lots of new experiences, which in turn aids the development of their creative side. Follow schedule. See, structure allows the mind to think freely without the impact of other concerns, as that time is dedicated to the creative process. It also means you always have time planned in specifically for the creative process. And please, you have to take risks. You don't need to start hanging off skyscrapers to become more creative, but having the courage to risk laying ideas on the line will develop your creativity over time and move you forward. Good ideas more quickly than if you are timid and sit quietly in a corner. Watching people and the world go by in common trait of the most creative people. Observing people, what they are doing, storing memories they can draw on your connections. They can make your future with full of ideas. And last but not least, that is the exercise. In, as you have seen, many studies has been done. Even the Stanford studies showed that 90% of people were more creative after exercise or doing something creative.